Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Students, welcome back to your online EVS class. Students, in previous video, we have complete explanation of lesson 7, food we eat. So, students, in this video, we will start exercise of this lesson. Okay. So students, take your book, take your EVS book and pencil also and open page number 33. So students, this is your page number 33 and this is exercise of lesson 7, food we eat. Okay. So students, here we have question D. Here we have 4 questions, question A, B, C, D. Okay. So we have to do this exercise in our EVS book. Okay. So students, take your pencil and let's start. So we will start from question A. Question A is circle the correct word in the following sentences. Circle the correct word in the following sentences. So students, here we have some sentence and some options also. Here we have some sentence and some options also. So students, we have to circle correct option according to sentence. We have to do circle incorrect option according to sentence. Okay. So let's start. First one is we need food to enjoy to live. So students, tell me, this is first line of our lesson. We need food to live. So students, circle this. We need food to live. So here live is correct answer. We need food to live. Okay. Understood all of you? Second one, breakfast is the first and last meal of the day. So students, tell me. Yes, very good. Because breakfast do in the morning now. So students, breakfast is the first meal of the day. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. And which is the last meal of the day? Dinner. Very good. Understood all of you students? So breakfast is the first meal of the day. Third one, we cook special dishes daily on festivals. So students, tell me, you cook special dishes daily? No? Yes. So we cook special dishes on festivals. So circle this. On festivals. We cook special dishes on festivals. Okay. Last one, salad is made with raw cooked vegetables. So salad is made with raw vegetables. You know na what is the meaning of raw? Without cook means कच्ची जो होते हैं ना. So first one is we need food to live. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. We cook special dishes on festivals. Salad is made with raw vegetables. Okay, understood all of you students? Very good. Now second question is fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the box. So students, here we have some blanks and here we have a box, means help box also. So we have to fill these blanks with the help of this box. Okay. So let's start students. First one is we eat a of food. So we eat milk. No. We eat food afternoon. No. We eat a variety of foods. We eat a variety of foods. So write here variety, variety, variety. We eat a variety of foods. Okay. Second one is food gives us to work and play. So search from this box energy. Very good. Food gives us energy to work and play. ENERGY, energy. Food gives us energy to work and play. Food gives us energy, ENERGY, energy to work and play. Okay. Next one, we eat our lunch in the afternoon. We eat our lunch in the afternoon. 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 We eat lunch in the afternoon. Okay. We should drink milk daily. We should drink milk daily. MILK, milk. We should drink milk daily. Understood all of you students? So first one is we eat a variety of foods. Food gives us energy to work and play. We eat our lunch in the afternoon. We should drink milk daily. Okay students, now come on next question. This is question C. Write T for true and F for false. Write T for true and F for false. Okay. So students, here we have some sentences. Then we have to write T for right sentence and F for wrong sentence. Means write T for true sentence and F for false sentence. Understood all of you students? So let's start. First one is brunch is the last meal of the day. Brunch is the last meal of the day. So this is wrong. So this is false. Write here F, because brunch is the meal that we eat in the place of breakfast and lunch. And dinner is the last meal of the day. So this sentence is wrong. Brunch is the last meal of the day. So this is wrong. So write here F. Next one, we eat dry fruits after cooking them. So this is wrong, because we eat dry fruits without cooking. Okay. So this is wrong. Write here F, means false. Third one, we make salad with raw eating vegetables. Yes. So this is true, because we make salad with raw vegetables. Okay. So this is true. Write here T. Last one, we prepare special dishes on festivals. Yeah, this is also true. So write here T. So first one, brunch is the last meal of the day, is wrong. We eat ripe fruits after cooking them. This is also wrong. Third one, we make salad with raw eating vegetables. This is true. And we prepare special dishes on festivals. This is also true. Understood all of you students? Very good. This is last one question. Complete these sentences. Complete these sentences. So students, here we have some incomplete sentence, and here we have line, means blank line. Okay. So we have to complete this sentence. Okay. So first one is food help us. Food helps us to grow. TO2GROW, grow. Food helps us to grow. Food helps us to grow. TOGROW, grow. Okay. Next one. Food gives us energy to work and play. Food gives us energy to work and play. ENERGY, energy. TO2 WOR की work and play, PLAY, play. Food gives us energy to work and play. Third one is food keeps us strong. Food keeps us strong. 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 So first one is food helps us to grow. Food gives us energy to work and play. And food keeps us strong. Understood all of you students? Very good. So students, complete this exercise in your EVS book very honestly and carefully, and students write correct spelling and write neat and clean. Understood? Means you have to write in good handwriting. जैसे मैम ने लिखा है ना गुड हैंडराइटिंग में, इसी तरह आपको भी गुड हैंडराइटिंग में राइट करना है. And students, again I will tell you, write correct spellings. Okay? And students, learn also for your unit test. Okay? So complete this work in your EVS book and do revision of this exercise. Okay? Understood all of you? Okay, bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.